Are you planning to travel to the US for your UG, PG, or PhD? Individuals who intend to travel to the United States for study have to obtain a US study visa. Visa applications can be overwhelming at times. In this video, we will discuss the types of visas, requirements, costs, and the overall process to help you get your US study visa. Before we start our video, we would like to thank our partner Ellis for sponsoring this video. There are some excellent offers from Ellis for international students going to the US, but more about that later in this video. Types of US student visa. If you want to study in the US or participate in an educational exchange program, there are mainly 4 types of visas you can apply for, such as F-1, M-1, J-1 and Q-1 visa, depending on what program you are leaning towards. But in this video, we'll be focusing only on the F-1 visa. F-1 visa. To get this visa, you must be first enrolled in an approved school in the United States as listed in the SEVP or Student and Exchange Visitor Program. If your university application is completed successfully, you will then be registered in SEVIS or Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. It's important to receive the I-20 form from SEVIS or you cannot apply for this visa. Requirements of US study visa. Here is a list of all the necessary documents required for your US study visa. A passport, 2 passport size photographs, hard copy of confirmation page of DS-160, proof of payment of the US visa fees, details about social media, bank statement, proof of acceptance into a US educational institute, payment of application fees for SEVIS, and other academic documents such as appointment letter, interview letter, original mark sheets and provisional certificates, SAT, GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, IELTS score sheets, and etc. Your university will make you aware of additional documents and requirements, if any, before your application. Cost of applying for US student visa. All visa applicants, including children, are required to pay a non-refundable and non-transferable visa application fee, sometimes referred to as the MRV fee, before applying for a visa. The visa application fee must be paid whether a visa is issued or not. The cost of getting a US student visa, academic or vocational, is $160 or 12,800 rupees. In some cases, additional visa fees also have to be paid. These payments have to be paid directly to the National Visa Center, the US Embassy Consulate, or the Department of Homeland Security. US student visa application process. To apply for a US study and exchange visa, you need to follow these steps. Step 1. Apply to a US school and get accepted. The first step is to apply and eventually be accepted to a US university. In the United States, most full-time undergraduate and graduate programs demand applications by December of January each year. Admission notices are usually sent out in March and April. Step 2. Get your Form I-20 from your university. After being accepted to a school, you will receive the Form I-20, Certificate of Eligibility for Non-Immigrant Student Status. Note: after being approved by their school in the United States, which will issue them with an I-20 document, student visa applicants must apply within 120 days of the I-20 start date and travel within 30 days of the I-20 start date. Step 3. Pay the SEVIS I-901 fee. Go online and pay the I-901 SEVIS fee once you receive your I-20 or DS-2019 form from your school. The price is $350 for M1 and F1 students. Step 4. Locate a US embassy or consulate in your area. You must apply for an international student visa at the US embassy or consulate nearest to you, ideally in the city or region in which you live. The US Department of State offers an online search for US embassies and consulates. Please know that depending on which embassy you apply through, the process for obtaining a student visa in the United States may fluctuate slightly. Step 5. Fill out the DS-160 form online. After that, fill out the online non-immigration visa application or form DS-160. You will also select the US Embassy where you will interview for your visa on this application. Step 6. Make an appointment for your visa interview. Contact your nearest US Embassy or Consulate, preferably the one you listed on your online application, to organize your visa interview after you have filed Form DS-160. Step 7. Make payment for your visa application fee. After that, pay the application fee of $160. This change is the same regardless of where you apply or where you are applying from. It's important to note that the exact date you pay this charge will differ based on your embassy. Step 8. Attend your visa interview. The interview is the final major step in the visa application process. This interview will determine whether or not you are granted a student visa in the United States. Step 9. Pay the visa issuance fee. After being authorized for a student visa in the United States, certain students are required to pay a visa issuance fee. Whether or not you must pay this fee is determined by your nationality and the reciprocity agreement between your country and the United States. You can use a chart on the US visa website to discover if you have to pay this fee. Step 10. Get your visa. Your embassy will return your passport to you with your new visa in it if you have completed all of these requirements above and gained approval for an international student visa to the United States. The length of time it takes for your visa also depends from embassy to embassy. We hope that you found this video useful. Once you get your US visa, there are more hurdles that come to life. The finance is the most tricky aspect of it. You need a bank account in order to transfer funds. You need a US-based banking card to use those funds, and you also need a US-based phone number to communicate in the USA. You might even require to have a credit history in the US to take a mobile plan. This is where Ellis comes to play and helps you simplify your move to the USA. Ellis Mobile provides you with your very own activated US SIM card before even setting your foot in the USA. Ellis Banking provides you with USA bank account and with zero transfer fees and an international debit card powered by Visa along with it. You can use the referral code STUDENT to get $10 in your US bank account as sign-up bonus. The link is given in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video on how to apply for a US student visa, please give us a like. That would help this video to reach more people like you. In the next video, we will cover how to prepare for a US visa interview. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification button. That will ensure you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at customer.support@student.com. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.